Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia G20 and I will show you how you can clean your USB-C charging port. So in some cases when you are unable to plug charger, you can try to clean by yourself port by using very thin objects. I'm going to use this plastic material. So just let's start. So as you can see, I'm going to zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks. As you can see here, I can find some kind of the dust probably. And how we can make it, just simply input that kind of the tool inside and try to push it to one of the edge, just like that. And of course, remember to do it gently. Okay, I'm going to try to remove it with my fingers. Okay, and this part is just jump us out. And we can find also here something, so let's try from this side. Okay, let me just take a look here. Yeah, there's still something inside. Let me just catch focus here. Okay, as you can see, it's not that easy. So I'm going to pick something a little bit tougher. Okay, give me a second. I'm going for seam tool, and it will be definitely much easier. I will open it. I have here this kind of the tool in the box, so don't go anywhere. I got it right here. Okay, so as you can see, you can even use something like the seam injector. Let's put it inside. And as you can see, with this one, it goes definitely much easier. And there it is. So, as you can see right now, everything is probably fine. Yeah. And yeah, that's how it looks. That's how you can try to clean that port by yourself. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.